culture kind of saved my life.
I feel like that invigorates the city.
It gives artists a chance to contribute to the community.
And all the artists are really weird and fun to hang out with.
I love DIY so damn much.
It's so important that we have artists and ideas and these think tanks where our community can really come together.
These spaces are just incubators for culture.
DIY spaces just end up filling the holes for all of those people that kind of get left out of the culture.
Anybody and everybody can just come here, be themselves, figure out who that is, figure out themselves.
I feel all the feels about Zephyr. Without them, we couldn't have done this play at all. Oh yeah, baby. Come on in.
To me, it's not a mohawk and a no effects shirt. It's like really doing something for your community.
Breaking news in the warehouse fire investigation in Oakland as the death toll continues to rise.
The fire ripped through a converted warehouse on 31st Avenue and East 13th Street during an electronic dance music party on Friday night. At least 33 people are now confirmed dead.
In 2016, there was a fire at a DIY art space called Ghost Ship.
They should have had that place boarded up.
Oh, you should have done this. It's like, don't you think we feel how many people died in our home?
Not only were there individuals who died in that fire that we had strong connections to, but it was just like, it just looked like a huss.
The warehouse that burned is far from the only one in Oakland that does not have the proper permits.
DIY spaces don't have a consistent revenue stream, and they usually don't have the bandwidth to get up to these codes.
I remember seeing other venues starting to get shut down.
Policemen and firemen and city officials across the country are working hand in hand with internet trolls to locate DIY spaces and trying to shut them down.
We cut out an extra fire exit, so there's 2 exits. We did all this like about a week before we ended up getting shut down. So we did like a little town hall style meeting.
I had some major bouts with depression. One of the few places I could go to was the Flex.
Because of the Flex, it motivated me to learn a new skill.
This is your community. Keep it going, keep it strong.
It's a huge barrier that the city views the spaces as like a threat and not an asset.
Anytime you take away a productive, creative situation for a growing soul or mind, then you got crime.
You know, if people are going to be doing stuff, creative stuff, and giving something to the culture and community that they live in, they deserve support.
The DIY Fund was created to support DIY entities who need help staying alive.
Our goal is to give over $250,000 to DIY art spaces across the country, but we need your help to get there.
Instead of telling us, you can't do this, it's not safe, help us make this safe. Meow Wolf has gotten help, so they're giving back, and that's why we're doing too. We're giving back to our community.
Meow Wolf is launching our 3rd year of the DIY Fund. Learn more and apply today at meowwolf.com/DIY.